Hi everyone. As a Kenyan citizen and having been brought up in this country, we have seen Kenya evolved in very many aspects, from agriculture to technology, and today I want us to tap into an industry known as the flooring industry. And on set, I have the CEO of Quick-Step, Decomagna. Is it Decomagna or Decomagna?
It's a debatable thing. It's a bit like my name. Is it Lucas? Is it Luca? It's Decomagna or Decomagna, which actually stands for decoration, and magna, which is big on decor. And I'll take you a step back. Is we don't only just do flooring. We do flooring. We do cabinetry. We also do ceiling boards. Paneling and stuff, but our primary focus is indeed flooring. And
to someone building a house, a hotel, a school, what is the main difference between the tiles and laminates?
When you go into the technical aspect of floorings, you're looking at AC ratings, abrasion criteria ratings, you're looking at service class or usage class. Tiles are time tested. Tiles have been known for a long time, but are also colder. Another aspect that you have to consider is the level of usage. So now a school, for example, has a lot of traffic. You have kids that play around, they're drawing on the floor, they put paint and stuff on the floor. You need to have a floor that's able to deal with such things. Let's say, for example, you're in a restaurant and you have falling objects. Somebody just by mistake drops their glass. Well, you need a floor that's able to take care of that. You can think of paint, you can think of ink, you can think of stains, coffee, whatever. Our Quick-Step laminates are designed to be easy to wash. You mop them just like you would with tiles. It doesn't permeate through because actually it's a either splash-proof or fully waterproof flooring. All you need to do is use rubbing alcohol or sanitizer. I mean, there's tons of sanitizer now around. So you just need to use sanitizer. The cost implications are very low.
So when I was going through your products, you have a product called Mkeka Vinyl Flooring.
Yes, the cushion vinyls, yes.
What's that?
So the Mkeka cushion vinyl is actually PVC based. It comes in rolls. You have 2 meters rolls, you have 4 meter rolls.
And they're so beautiful. Sorry to cut you short. Because I got to see there's brown, there's grey. I love interiors. So for me it's really interesting.
And affordable. That's the most beautiful part of it. Is it's also made in Belgium. So note to mention, all our floors and all our products are actually made in Belgium. So it's a cushion vinyl. So it actually absorbs heat and absorbs. So when you're on your bare feet, it's really nice to walk on, and it's silent, and it's really a beautiful product. So we have, I think at the moment, about 24 different colors in the Mkeka alone that you can pick from. Yeah.
Okay, and let's say someone is building a home. So what flooring, do they come to you to advise? Do you advise your clients on what flooring they should pick?
So actually, to answer that question, I have to go back in time a little bit, is that we are, as far as I'm concerned, the only company that not only supplies but also installs. At least in our case, we take responsibility from the moment you step into our door to even afterwards. It's during the installation and post-installation. You have a warranty. For example, our Mkeka has a 5 to 15 years warranty depending on which collection you go for, and our laminates come from 15 years up to 25 years warranty with 10 years wet area warranty. For example, if you want to install in your bathroom.
Majority live in rented houses or apartments. Will it make sense for someone to have laminates? Because I'm thinking when they move houses, does that mean they leave the flooring behind?
Yeah, you can move with both floors, laminates or Mkeka. Both of them can be taken away. If you are building your house, if you're developing something that you say, this is somewhere where I want to stay, I want this to be my home, this is where I want to raise my kids, or maybe you have kids, then I would definitely advocate that you go into the direction of the laminates. You are paying a little bit more, but you're paying less in terms of overall durability.
If you have a house and you want to put the laminates or the Mkeka in a section of the house, let's say if I can only afford it in my living room. Does it work, or I have to put the flooring in the whole house?
What we do is we do a breakdown room by room, simply interlock. Once you want to continue, you can always continue. If you stop there, we put a profile which will be there temporarily just to give it a nice finish. Once you're ready to continue, we remove the profile and continue laying. So yeah, you can do room by room, absolutely no problem. A lot of our clients do room by room. The installation fees are 250 shillings per square meter, and even install all across East Africa, as we are the official agents for Quick-Step and IVC and Uniline within the East African region.
All right, as you've heard from him, please be sure to reach them out. Thank you.